Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Black Friday VPN deals. If you're excited, smash the like button. Let's dive right in. I've dug up the top VPN deals for Black Friday. These VPN companies have been getting out their sales super early this year. Even though it's only November 5th, they've got the sales live right now. So let's dive right in. We'll jump through the different deals and then I'm going to show you my favorite VPN, the one that I think is actually worth your money. First up is Surfshark. These guys are a subsidiary of NordVPN. First and foremost, I figured I'd just mention that because they're basically the same company. This is a lower priced VPN company, which means that the feature set is not as in-depth as NordVPN. However, they still have an awesome amount of servers. They're still very secure, and they seem to have more or less the same features. It's just not quite as in-depth. So right now they're doing a deal where it's between 81 and 87% off. It depends on what tier you get. They're trying to sell you on a 2-year deal. I always recommend going with at least a year just so that you have the service for a while. It doesn't really make sense to do it month to month because you end up paying like way more money. You might as well get at least a year. If you do the math on that, $339 times 12, you're looking at $40. If you do 1 month, you're kind of halfway there. So you might as well get it for a year. Right now, they've got the Surfshark starter. It's 87% off. Surfshark 1 and Surfshark 1 Plus. The differences between them is you're basically getting, on at least the middle tier, you're getting real-time email breach alerts, credit card ID alerts, it's like dark web stuff, private search tool, personal data security reports. Basically, they'll email you if they find your email address or your name on the dark web, and they'll let you know that, hey, you kind of came up during some kind of breach, some kind of data breach. You also get 24-hour antivirus protection, webcam protection, whatever that is, and anti-spyware and malware protection. I'm going to talk more about that with a different service because while this is nice to include, if you're going to spend the money, I have something that's a little bit better, in my opinion. And then you can also remove your data from databases, which is basically data removal. Once they find your information on the web, they'll put in the request to actually have it removed. Not a big deal because you're dealing with shady companies to begin with. I wouldn't really look too much into it. Next up, we've got Proton VPN. So Proton is a company that's well known for their secure email servers. They actually started out as an email company. They are basically like a encrypted version of Gmail, as it were. And now they've kind of branched into VPNs. So they have a deal right now where they're doing between 50 and 55% off. They tend to not do the greatest deals during Black Friday. Even last year, I remember taking a look at their deals and was not super impressed. I've used their service. It is fast. It is comprehensive, but just the user interface, something about it just rubbed me the wrong way. It felt sluggish and it wasn't really running that great on my machine. It had like a lot of graphics and stuff going on, and I just wasn't super impressed with it. Take that as you will. They have Proton VPN Plus, and then they have Proton Unlimited. And with Proton Unlimited, it comes bundled with their suite of secure products. So they have Proton Mail, which is what I was talking about before. They also have their version of Calendar, Drive, Pass for passwords, and Wallet to store your credit card information. This is going to be a good deal if you're interested in those other services. If you want encrypted email, if you want the calendar and the drive and all those other things to kind of all seamlessly work together, then this is a good deal. They're doing a deal between 23 and 38% off. Again, you'd get like a year or 2-year plan. Next up, we're going to go to Private Internet Access. This is a company that's well known for doing VPN correctly. They are just a good company. They're secure. You can feel confident that you're getting a good deal with them. And right now, they're doing 83% off. They're still kind of running their Halloween deal, and we're already at 83% off. So I don't really think that they're going to go that much deeper in terms of like a discount or anything. They also include antivirus, and if you want to get a dedicated IP, you could pay a little extra for that. And all in all, it's a decent service. However, if you're going to be using this on a phone or like a Fire Stick or something like that, this might not be the choice for you. Again, I have a favorite that I'm going to come back to, but Private Internet Access is an excellent company if you're looking for a good VPN. Next up is CyberGhost. Honestly, I don't really have any experience with them. They claim to have like apps for a ton of different devices, and they're doing a deal right now for 84% off with 4 months free. We'll open up their deals. And let's just take a look here at the Fire Stick, because I want to see if it's actually... Yeah, it seems to be that they do have the apps for all these things. These are usually plugins, console, Apple TV. Let's see what the Apple TV says. Yeah, I guess you can do it. Takes a little fiddling if you want it on your Apple device. Let's take a look at their deal. So 84% off, 2-year deal. So you'd have to sign up for 2 years. They also do a 1 month and a 6 month. And again, if you want a dedicated IP address, you don't really need it, but some people might find that nice to have. Multi-device coverage, so you could have up to 7 VPN connections at once. Servers in over 100 countries, and they have a really good money-back guarantee. Pure VPN, this is also like a newer one. They did a deal last year around this same amount of money, like 85% off. It's a pretty good deal. We'll go in. So they kind of want to sell you on like a 5-year deal. I would not do a 5-year deal with any VPN company. But even on a 1-year deal, between 62 and 69% off. And if you did a 2-year plan, 79 to 83%. 5 years is a big commitment. Let's see what the actual cost would be. Actually, that's not bad. $119 is not bad for a 5-year deal. Wait, really? It's a 5-year deal? Let's try the max here. That's not bad. I see you, Pure VPN. As far as I know, in the research that I've done on them, they're a pretty good company. I don't think they've been around for too long. Don't quote me on that. But from what I've seen, they seem like a reasonable company. Next up is ExpressVPN. These guys advertise a lot, but they've also been caught in the past doing some shady stuff. So I'm not sure where I stand with them. They are doing a deal right now, 35% off. I think as we get closer to Black Friday, they probably will do something in the 80-85% off range. They are a little behind with their deals right now. The thing with ExpressVPN is I believe they were caught collecting information on users. This is like years ago. Let's actually Google that. Controversy. Let's just take a quick look. Yes, it had a bug that exposed the domains users were visiting. Okay, so I'm not making that up. So they've had some bugs in the past, and that's actually pretty recent. So take that as you will. Next up is IPVanish. This is a company that I've used in the past. I don't currently use them right now. They're fairly inexpensive, and they are fine for what they do. I wasn't the biggest fan of their feature set, like for the amount of money that you're paying. I don't think you get a ton of actual features. Like when you use the app, it just felt very basic and not like the best experience. That might have changed. It's been a few years since I've used it, but I just didn't think that there was anything to write home about. In terms of it being like a good VPN company, like are they good with how they handle data and stuff? As far as I know, they are. They're pretty good. Next up is Hotspot Shield. This company I honestly know nothing about. They're doing a 33% off deal right now, and I don't know. They might be fine. But let's go to my actual favorite, NordVPN. This is a VPN that I use currently. I've been with them for probably like 2 or 3 years now. It's a fully featured app. It runs on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, Fire Stick, you name the device, it pretty much runs on everything. And their service is just second to none. I've reached out to their customer service. They've been really helpful. They have a full feature set. I'll show you the app. Tons of servers. You can see all the different countries. And then within those countries, you could actually choose the city. And you can really get down into it if you wanted to. See, it just connects right up. I also like that they have the specialty servers. This is not something that you see in all the services. You could get a dedicated IP just like the other ones, but you could also do double VPN, which means it routes it through 2 different servers. And you could do onion over VPN, which basically routes you through a different country, and you end up, they call it perfect forward security, but essentially you are really well hidden from the internet, if that's your desire. They also have threat protection. Now, this is what I was talking about earlier, where Surfshark offers a similar thing. I think this is a little bit better, especially if you're going to pay the money for it, if you're interested in this kind of thing, because it has the anti-malware, the advanced browsing protection, and the ad and tracker blocker. Essentially, it will scan your machine for you. You can have it block websites on your machine. You can have it block websites deemed by NordVPN as being malicious to begin with before you even get to the website. So you could turn that on. You could try to go to a site, and before your machine even goes there, it'll check with Nord, and if it's on the list, they'll just cut it right off, and you won't even be able to get to the website. So that's kind of cool. They also have DNS filtering, which is what I'm talking about essentially, and it's a good feature set. They also now have, so there's the Pro version, and then there's also Lite, which is for your phone. I'll just pull it up here so you guys could see the differences between them. Let's see. Threat Protection Pro works without being connected to the VPN. You could use Pro or whatever, and then on Android, iPhone, mobile devices like that, they have they just call it Threat Protection plain. So you would have to be connected to the VPN to actually use those features. Not the end of the world, especially if you're on a phone. The ISP is always tracking where you go, what websites you visit, especially on a phone, because your DNS servers are essentially pre-programmed into your SIM card and whatever it is that the services that you're using. It's just going to default to their DNS server. So anytime you go to Google or Gmail or Yahoo or whatever, theoretically it's encrypted, but if they wanted to see where you're going, they absolutely could, and that is a really good way of tracking people. So this is my choice, and I would just encourage you to try whatever it is that you think is going to work best. A lot of them have 30-day money-back guarantees, so you could always sign up and always cancel, and they're for the most part, they're no hassle. They'll just refund you the money. Almost all of them have a 30-day money-back guarantee, including NordVPN. And if you want to see more, click on the link down below, adblockdude.com. I go into depth of the different services even more, and we've got all kinds of cool links and resources and stuff like that. I'll catch you on the next video.